Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create title animation using VN Video Editor. Okay, before we start the editing guys, I'm going to show you how the animation looks like. Okay, the animation will look like this and I'm going to show you the tutorial. Okay, I'm going to create a new project on VN Video Editor. I'm going to select new project here and then I'm going to choose video based, and then we're going to go to the stocks and I'm going to add this black background. Okay, and let me change the ratio first guys. I'm going to go to the aspect ratio and I'm going to choose this ratio. Alright, and then wait, let me delete the ending. Okay, and now it's time to add tags to this project. We can go to the text menu right here, and then you can select text, and then you can type in that you want. And for me, I'm just going to type in text like this, and then we can go to this menu, and I'm going to customize the letter spacing. Okay, done, and I'm going to click on this check mark, and then we're going to duplicate this text. So you can click on the text and you can select duplicate and go to the style menu, the color menu. We're going to change the color and I'm going to choose this color. Alright, and then I'm going to click on cancel. Then I'm going to switch the layer like this guys, and then we're going to apply mask to the second layer. You can go to the mask menu and select the mirror mask, and then you're going to rotate it like this and then adjust the feather. Okay, and then we're going to apply keyframe. I'm going to click on this keyframe and we can move this mask to the first part or to the beginning, and then we're going to move the mask again for the second keyframe. You can put it here like this, and then it will create this animation. Let's play it. And yeah, that's so cool. And for the color guys, you can choose the color that you like, and for me here I choose black and white. Okay, and that's all the way to create title animation using a VN Video Editor app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.